This video will show you how to set up and pair your Ascend Smart in-wall timer with an Amazon Alexa voice-activated device. First, you need to create an Intermatic cloud account and pair it with your Ascend timer. Instructions and videos for this step can be found at intermatic.com/ascend support. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and select Skills from the drop-down list. In the search bar, type Intermatic and tap Search. The Intermatic Custom Skill and Intermatic Smart Home Skill will appear. Select Custom Skill and then select Enable. The pop-up screen will prompt you to log in to your Intermatic cloud account. Once logged in, the Intermatic Custom Skill will be linked to your Alexa device. Close this screen and then hit the back arrow. Now tap on Intermatic Smart Home Skill and select Enable. Then log into your Intermatic cloud account again. Now, both the Intermatic Custom Skill and Smart Home Skill are linked to your Alexa device. Close the screen and hit the back arrow twice to return to the home screen. Tap on the menu icon and choose Smart Home from the drop-down list. Click Add Device. The app will search for available devices. Your Ascend timer will appear as the friendly name you gave it during the initial setup. For this example, we named the timer Front Door. Once you tap to add the device, you are ready to turn your Ascend controlled lights on and off through Alexa voice commands.